First of all, I'd like to welcome the micro observers in this 18th Lok Sabha elections of the two outers, Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. These are the contents of today's session. So, we should know about the free and fair elections. When we talk about the free and fair elections, we should come in mind about these points. So, no one should act in favor of any candidate, and no handshake or taking photographs with the PIPs and candidates in the polling station.
Not to interfere and not to act as any presiding officer or polling officer at any cost. That is the first thing which needs to be kept in our mind. Whatever activities will be happen during the day of poll in polling stations, our duty just to observe, starting from the commencement of mock poll. What time mock poll was started, and at the time of mock poll whether polling agent was present or not. If they were, as we know that before the actual commencement of poll, this is the last and final round of training for each and everyone. And I do hope you might have been taught by your trainers about all the rules and procedures which needs to be followed on the day of poll. A special request for all the micro observers, because you are going to be deployed at every critical and vulnerable polling stations, expecting for the peaceful conduct of poll. And one more assurance which I would give here to each and everyone. For me, like each and everyone is like a member of one team. Your safety, your precautions, everything is my responsibility and our SP responsibility. For that we have already worked out. So security forces would be on the place, and not only from the police but also CAPF, they will be also there. There will be joint control room also, and on top of the every sector officer, some officers are also going to be deployed, so that you should be in touch with them in case if you face any kind of a problem or confusion related to any procedures. We are providing election training to the sector officers and micro observers. As we know that micro observers, they will be deputed for the critical polling stations and vulnerable polling stations, and this is the second and final round of training for the sector officers and the micro observers. And already for all the polling personnel we have provided 2 rounds of training, and third round of training has already been planned for the next week before the commencement of poll.